Self-motivation. How to speak English fluently. Do you want to speak English fluently? But are you afraid of making mistakes? Do you feel shy when you speak English? Then remember one thing. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You need courage to start. Speaking English is not a talent that only a few people have. Anyone can learn English. You can learn it too. But you have to practice every day. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until your grammar becomes perfect. Don't wait until you know thousands of words. Start with the words you know today. Every morning, tell yourself, I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will keep speaking. Your mind listens to what you say to yourself. So stop saying, my English is bad. Instead, say, my English is getting better every day. Believe in yourself. Your confidence will grow when you practice. First, speak English for 5 minutes every day. Talk about your daily life. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work. I come back home. I practice English every day. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful because fluency comes from practice, not from difficult words. Remember this: mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. When you make a mistake, don't stop speaking. Correct yourself and continue. Don't be afraid of people laughing at you. One day, those same people may be surprised by your progress. From today, give yourself a simple challenge. Speak English for 15 minutes every day. Listen to English. Repeat what you hear. Read simple English sentences aloud. Think in English. And talk to yourself in English. Do this every single day. After 1 week, you will feel a small change. After 1 month, you will feel more confident. And if you continue for several months, your English can become much stronger. So, don't give up. Don't compare your English with someone else's English. Everyone has their own journey. Your only competition is yourself. Speak one sentence today. Speak 10 sentences tomorrow. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Keep believing. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep speaking. Your confidence will come from your practice. Your fluency will come from your consistency. Start today. Speak English. Believe in yourself. And never stop learning. If you are learning English, practice with me every day. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep improving. Your English journey starts today. Part 2. Train your mind to speak English fluently. Do you understand English but feel nervous when you speak? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners have the same problem. The good news is you can change it. You just need to train your mind and your mouth to speak English every day. First, stop thinking, what if I make a mistake? Instead, think, what if I improve? Every time you speak English, you are becoming better. You don't have to speak perfect English. You only have to speak clearly and confidently. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. If you don't have a speaking partner, don't worry. You can practice alone. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Say, "Hello, my name is Binanda. Today I am going to practice English. I am feeling happy today. I want to improve my English. I will speak English with confidence. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't stop." Another powerful method is to start thinking in English. When you see a glass, think, "This is a glass." When you see a door, think, "This is a door." When you are walking, think, "I am walking." When you are eating, think, "I am having my lunch." Simple sentences are enough. Slowly, your brain will become comfortable with English. Give yourself only 15 minutes every day. 5 minutes for listening, 5 minutes for speaking, and 5 minutes for reading. Don't worry about doing too much. The secret is consistency. 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. There will be days when you don't feel motivated. Practice anyway. There will be days when you make mistakes. Practice anyway. There will be days when you feel your English is not improving. Practice anyway. Because success doesn't come from one perfect day. Success comes from many ordinary days of practice. So, believe in yourself. Open your mouth. Speak your English. Make mistakes. Learn from them and continue. One day you will look back and say, "Wow, I have improved so much." Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Start with one sentence, then another sentence, and another. Your English will improve when you keep speaking, keep practicing, keep believing, and never give up. You can speak English, you can speak confidently, and you can become fluent. Part 4. Speak English without fear. Are you afraid to speak English in front of other people? Do you think they will laugh at your mistakes? Then listen carefully. You cannot become a confident English speaker if you are always afraid of making mistakes. Your mistakes are not proof that you are weak. They are proof that you are learning. Stop trying to impress people with difficult English. Your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to communicate. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to acquire some refreshments," simply say, "I want something to drink." Simple English is powerful. You can practice English anywhere. When you are walking, describe what you see. "I am walking on the road. There are many people here. The weather is nice today. The sky is clear." When you are cooking, speak about what you are doing. "I am cooking food. First, I will wash the vegetables. Now I am cutting them. This food smells good." This kind of practice can make English a part of your daily life. Listen to a short English sentence. Pause the audio, then repeat the sentence aloud. For example, "I want to improve my English." Listen, pause, repeat. "I want to improve my English." Do it again. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Practice this for 10 minutes every day. Don't compare yourself. Don't compare your English with someone who has been speaking English for years. Compare yourself with your past. Yesterday you knew 10 words. Today you know 15. Yesterday you were afraid to speak. Today you spoke for 5 minutes. That is progress. Be proud of yourself. There will be difficult days. There will be days when you forget words. There will be days when your pronunciation isn't perfect. That's okay. Don't quit. Take a breath. Try again. Every time you practice, you are training your brain. Every time you speak, you are building confidence. Every mistake is another step forward. So don't be silent because you're afraid of mistakes. Open your mouth and speak. Speak slowly. Speak simply. Speak every day. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practiced. Remember, Confidence comes from action. Fluency comes from consistency. Success comes from never giving up. Start today. Speak one sentence, then speak another. Keep going. You're learning, you're improving, and one day you will speak English with confidence. Never stop believing in yourself. Part 5. Build a daily English speaking habit. Do you want to speak English fluently? Then don't just learn English. Make English a part of your daily life. You don't need 10 hours a day. You need a small habit that you can follow every day. Start your day with English. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today is going to be a good day. I will practice English today. I will speak with confidence." These simple sentences can prepare your mind for English. Then describe your morning routine. I am getting out of bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am getting ready. I am having breakfast. You are not only learning English, you are using English, and that's the real secret. Don't try to memorize hundreds of difficult words. Learn useful sentences that you can use in real life. For example, "Could you please help me? Can you say that again? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. What does this word mean? Let me think. I agree with you. I don't think so." These sentences will make everyday conversations easier. Choose one topic every day. For example, my family, my hometown, my daily routine, my favorite food, my hobbies, my future goals. Speak about the topic for 10 minutes. At first, you may speak slowly. You may stop. You may forget words. That's completely normal. Don't stop practicing. Your brain needs repetition. Here's a powerful technique. Record yourself speaking English, then listen to your recording. Don't feel embarrassed. Listen carefully. Ask yourself, is my pronunciation clear? Am I speaking too fast? Which words are difficult for me? Then record yourself again. The second recording can be better than the first. With regular practice, you will hear your own improvement. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you won't. But remember, you don't need motivation every day. You need discipline. Even when you don't feel like practicing, practice for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is better than 0. One sentence is better than silence. One small step every day can create a big change. Don't wait for confidence. Build confidence through practice. Don't wait for perfect English. Improve your English through speaking. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Your English journey is not a race. It is a journey of small improvements. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Keep learning. And keep believing in yourself. One day, the English that feels difficult today will become easy. So speak today, practice tomorrow, and continue every day. Your future fluent English speaker is waiting for you. Don't give up on that person. Keep going. You can do it.